begin speaker installation, you will need a 10mm open end wrench and a 5mm hex head Allen key. We will use the 10mm and remove the 3 seat nuts, one on each side and one in the front. The speaker will require one additional hole drilled if it's not present already. If you need to drill this hole, it is a 1/2 inch out and drilled directly above. On top of the speaker, we will be using 2 of the 4 mounting holes. This will be the front and this will be the rear. Hold the speaker up to the seat and insert the first bolt. It may help to begin by twisting by hand before using your tool. Insert the second bolt before making final adjustments. Tighten the 2 bolts and plug in the connectors in the back. Once they are connected, tuck into the frame tube. Once completed and connected, turn the unit on and the speaker will make a sound letting you know it is ready to connect. Your speaker is ready and you can begin seat reinstallation.